Hi, I'm Stephanie, certified and licensed speech language pathologist, and I'm here to help you feel confident in supporting your little through their speech language journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of these strategies. Let's talk about using a mirror to get our littles talking. So everyone talks about using mirrors to support tummy time, but let's talk about how to use them beyond that because they are really helpful and a great strategy. So what you can do is you can use any sort of reflective surface. So if you have a phone that'll give you that reflection, an iPad, sit them on a bathroom counter so that they can see the mirror and see you. The goal is that they see your face and their face. Our littles are obsessed with us and obsessed with themselves. So already you have their attention as soon as there's a mirror around, all right? So then you can start just with sounds you wanna work on. Ba, ba, ba. And your little is gonna see you and start mimicking you. Or you can go on and grab objects. So you're holding a ball and you go, ball, ball. The most important thing to do though is pause. So you've got your ball, 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 stop. Okay? Even before you say it, pause. Hold it up, pause, let them attempt it, then you take a turn. See how it goes. Your little is going to love this. And like I said, you're definitely going to get their attention. Have fun. Don't forget, fun is where learning happens. I'll talk to you later.